going to start our new chapter, that is fraction. So you already know what is fraction, but we recall what is fraction. So 2 by 7, 3 by 5, 11 by 10, these are fractions, right? 13 by 12, all these are fractions. Now fractions has many types. Okay, so before discuss this, if we divide a circle by two parts, then the value of one part will be 1 by 2. Okay, because two parts, so 2 will be denominator, and we take one part, so 1 by 2. Okay, if there is 3 part and we take one part, the value of this part will be 1 by 3, because total part is 3. So 3 will be the denominator and 1 will be numerator. The 1 will be called numerator. Okay, numerator, and 3 will be called denominator. Denominator, that is the down portion is denominator and upper portion is numerator. Okay, so now we'll discuss some types of fractions. There are many types of fractions. First we discuss proper fractions, then improper, then mixed, then other fractions. Okay, other types of fractions. So first, proper fractions. What are proper fractions? Proper fractions means like that: 2 by 7, 1 by 3, 80 by 100. That is, denominator is greater than numerator. Okay, the denominator must be greater than numerator. In an exam, you got 80 out of 100, then teacher will give the 100 as denominator and 80 as numerator. That is, this is proper way. Okay, but you can say proper fraction. You can't get 105 out of 100. So this is improper fractions. Okay, this is not proper fractions. This is improper fractions. So when numerator is greater than denominator, then these fractions are called improper fractions. 10 by 3 is improper because numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, 5 by 2, this all are numerator. Now we will discuss mixed fractions. Okay, mixed fractions are like that. Okay, these types of fractions are called mixed fractions. There is a mixture, so these are called mixed fractions. Or you can write this also mixed fraction. Okay, now we write mixed fractions to improper fractions. Okay, mixed to improper. We take a mixed fraction. This is equal to, the rule is you have to multiply with this number and add with the upper number. Okay, the denominator remains same, and 2 into 1 means 2 into 1 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 equal to 3 by 2. Okay, this is mixed to improper. We take another example, 5 here. So 5 into 7 plus 2 by 7, that is 35 plus 2 by 7 equal to 37 by 7. So mixed to improper. Okay, now we write improper to mixed. Improper, this is improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. So we divide this by 2. So here remainder is 1 and quotient is 7. So 15 by 2 equal to, we can write 2 here and 7. 2 remains same. Okay, denominator remains same. 2 will be 2. Denominator will be denominator and remainder will be in the upper side. Okay. Now we discuss decimal fractions. Decimal fraction means the fractions who has the denominator 10. Okay. The decimal fractions means the fractions who has the denominator the power of 10. Okay. If the denominator will be the power of 10, then these fractions will be called decimal fractions. 4 by 10, 10 cube. Okay. So power of 10, if denominator is the power of 10, then these types of fractions will be called decimal fractions. Okay. We will discuss vulgar fractions. Vulgar fractions means the who has the denominator not equal to 10 or power of 10. Okay, power of 10. If the denominator is not power of 10, other than power of 10, then we call this type of fractions vulgar fractions. Okay, 5 by 13, 11 by 7, 13, 7, 1001, 83, all are other than the power of 10. Okay, so these are called vulgar fractions. Okay, now we discuss equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions means the fractions who have the same value. Representation are different, but the value of these fractions are same, then we will call equivalent fractions. Example, 1 by 2, and if we multiply in upper and lower, that is numerator and denominator, by 3, okay, by 3 we multiply here, so this will be 3 and 6, so 1 by 2 and 3 by 6 will be the equivalent fractions. Or you can say 5 by 7, if we multiply 2 here, both sides, okay, upper and lower side, numerator and denominator, so 10 by 14, so 5 by 7 and 10 by 14 are equivalent fractions because the value of these two fractions are same. If we cancel here 5, 7, cancel by 2, 5, 7, 5 by 7, so the value of 10 by 14 and 5 by 7 are same, that is 5 by 7 and 10 by 14 are equivalent fractions. Okay, so like fractions. So what are like fractions? Like fractions means the fractions who has the same denominator. The fractions who has the same denominator. That is, we take an example here, 14 by 11, 31 by 11, 3 by 11, 41 by 11. All the denominators are 11. That is, all the denominators are same. So these four fractions are like fractions. Okay. We take another example, 3 by 12, 5 by 12, 7 by 12. All the denominators are 12. So these three fractions will called like fractions, and 3 by 7, 2 by 7, 11 by 7, these also like fractions. Okay, these three fractions are called like fractions. Okay, now unlike fractions. Unlike fractions mean unlike fractions mean denominator are not same. Who the fractions who has the different denominator. Okay, so 2 by 13, 5 by 11, 12 by 31. These three fractions has three different denominator. Okay, the denominator are different here. So these fractions will be called unlike fractions because the denominators are different. Okay. So now we convert the fractions with unlike fractions to like fractions. Okay, like fractions means denominator will be same. Here 3 is denominator and 7, they are not same, so we have to write with like fractions, that is denominator have to be same. So to write same denominator we have to find the LCM of the denominators. 3 and 7 are denominators, so we have to find the LCM of denominators. LCM of 3 and 7 is 21 because they are prime to each other, so 3 into 7 means 21. 21 is the LCM, so we make denominator 21 both the fractions. Okay, so 3 into 7 means 21 because we have to make 21, so we multiply here 7 and we have to multiply also 7 in the upper side also. Okay, numerator, because we multiplied in denominator, so we have to multiply in numerator also 7. Okay, now 7 into how 21 we get 3. How much? 3. So we have to multiply 3 in numerator also. Okay, we have to multiply with numerator also. So 14 by 21 and 15 by 21. Now the denominator are same, 21 and 21. Okay, so these two are like fractions. Okay, now we add to like fractions. Okay, like fractions because the denominators are same, so these are like fractions, so we have to add now these two fractions. So since these are same, the denominators are same, so LCM will be 2. Okay, just we have to add the numerator, and denominator will remain same, okay, because these are like fractions, so denominator remains same, and we have to just add these two number numerator, okay, just add these two numerator. So 5 plus 3 means 8 by 2, okay, this is the answer. Now if the fractions are unlike fractions, then how can we add? So first we have to find the LCM of 5 and 7, the denominators, that is 5 and here 5 and 7. So LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. So 35 will be the denominator, okay. So just you have to multiply 11 into 5 plus 3 into 7, okay. 11 into 5 plus 3 into 7. So after addition we get 55 plus 21 by 35, that is 6, 7 by 35, 76 by 35 will be the answer, okay. We add two mixed fractions. So first we have to write this in improper fractions, okay, mixed to improper. So 5 into 1 equal to 5 plus 2, that is 7 by 5, plus 3 into 4 means 12, 12 plus 1 equal to 13 by 4. So now we have to find the LCM and write in denominator 5 and 4. LCM of 5 and 4 equal to 20. So 7 into 4 plus 13 into 5. Just multiply. Okay. So 28 plus 65 by 20 equal to 93 by 20 will be the answer. Okay. Now in the case of addition, in subtraction, just you have to put here minus sign. Okay. Same. Just you have to put here minus sign. And whatever be the answer, you will be get. Okay. Now we will do some subtraction of fractions. So first like fractions. Okay. So like fractions, in the case of like fractions, the denominator remains same, and just you have to subtract the numerator. And if you have to add, then just add the numerator. And in the case of subtraction, just subtract the numerator. Okay. And denominator remains same. So 7 minus 5 equal to 2 by 3 will be the answer. Okay. Now we will subtract two mixed fractions. Okay. Two mixed fractions. So 7 into 2 plus 1 means 15 by 7. Just we have to make this in improper fractions. So 4 into 1 plus 1, that is 5 by 4. LCM of 7 and 4 is 28. So 15 into 4 minus 7 into 5 equal to 60 minus 35 by 28, that is 25 by 28 will be the answer. Okay.